Hey clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing my morning skincare routine with you guys, which is very easy and somewhat quick for a skincare routine. And it's definitely a must, especially in the morning when you're getting your face ready for makeup application. So I do share some really good skincare tips and hacks, so stay tuned because I know you're gonna love them.
First things first, we're just doing the basics, getting our hair out of our face and then wiping our face with some face wipes. This is just a really good tip, especially if you just woke up and rolled out of bed. Just because, you know, we clean our face the night before, but this is just to make sure it's all clean and nice for the routine. So I just recently got this Duvolle Sonic facial brush, but I freaking love it and I definitely had to share it with you guys. So it is a silicone electric facial cleanser that deeply cleanses your skin with massaging pulses. The best part is it has different speeds and it also has different settings, which you'll see here soon. So now I'm taking my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Gel and I'm just applying it to my Sonic brush. Now using the normal setting on this brush for this first step, we are just taking the cleanser and going in circle motions. And we are also going in upward motions. You really want to make sure whenever you're applying anything on your face regarding skincare that you want to go in upward motions so you don't damage the skin. Now I am going a little slower. I just had to speed up this video for, so you guys don't get bored. But yeah, just make sure you are kind of going a little slower and of course upward motions. So another great thing about this Sonic facial brush is that it actually is really easy to hold in your hand, and it's really easy whenever you're trying to do your nose or like all those hard spots that you don't really get into. This brush gets into them, girl. Like this is the perfect little handy tool for whenever you're cleaning your face. Definitely a part of my must-haves. Now we are just washing off the cleansing gel and getting our face ready for this XOXO face mask. I love this face mask, it just looks so cute. And after I apply it, I always rub it on my neck because we want to make sure we take care of our necks. And now we wait 20 minutes for the mask to absorb. I'm going to finish my coffee and just wait around. Oh wait, now is the perfect time to start my lip care routine. So of course I am taking my SKY Beauty Co. lip care set. This is the set in vanilla. The first step is my lip scrubs and then the second step is the lip conditioner. Now we wait. See you soon. And I'm back. It's like magic. So now we are just taking off the face mask. I know I forgot to mention this earlier, but this was a cactus and aloe face mask and I really loved how it made my skin feel. So I am just gently rubbing in the leftovers from the face mask, not really rubbing them in deeply because I'm going to show you a little trick here soon. I'm taking these lavender hemp drops and I'm just taking them on the T-zone of my face. Again, gently rubbing them, not fully rubbing them in. But the best tip of all, while you are rubbing in everything you do with your face, make it like a fun little spa treatment. Massage your face while you are rubbing in your lotion or your oils and just make it fun. Now I'm taking my Sonic facial brush and setting it to the deep clean setting. And as you can see here, it is just a series of massage pulses with a pause. So I like to place the brush when it's pulsing at a certain point on my face and then move it when it pauses. This is just a really good way to just really wake up my pores and wake up my skin and face in general. So I really love that. And let me just tell you a little more about like what this is supposed to do. I'm going to read it off their little card right here. So the high frequency vibration technology with the soft silicone brush head can effectively separate oils and cosmetic residue, deeply clean your skin and dredge your pores, removes acne, and overall improves your skin. The most unique part about this product is its soothing massage mode, which helps massage the sides of your nose, around the eyes, and it also relaxes your face muscles, helps remove dead skin cells, promotes facial cell regeneration, removes wrinkles, lifts and firms, anti-aging, and also just brings your skin back to life. So sign me up. Now I'm using the OK glowing. I got to say that brand name like that just because you got to. It's how it is on the bottle. But yeah, we are just using this glowing facial moisturizer and it is really bomb and just really good for moisturizing that skin. We're putting on a thick layer on our face and also our neck. Again, we're just massage motions, just really making it nice and relaxing. Just a good way to like really enjoy this moment. And this is honestly just a good way to start the day, just like a mini at-home spa treatment. Pro tip, always put what's left over on your hands just because you want to make sure those hands are moisturized. And last step, the vitamin C serum spray mist thingy. And then we are going to dry it off.
Well, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my morning skincare routine. Let me know what your morning skincare routine is in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that red button because every sky needs our clouds. Bye clouds, I love you.